Hey, this is Jason again with PTCI, and this is another one of our videos helping you out with our SmartHub app. We are looking at the website version as you would on a laptop or a PC of any kind. This is the My Services tab, and this tab allows you to look into the detail of your account or accounts. And so right now I've got it under My Services, okay? And it's going to tell me what I've got here. It's list on my cellular. I've got unlimited voice and text, no overage 60 gigabyte mobile data plan, unlimited text, unlimited picture messages as a part of that. Okay. If I go to this pull down menu, if you'll notice at the top here just above, it shows exactly which account that it's tied to. But I can look at the other services. I can look at each individual phone that is a part of it, and I can also look at my internet. If I click on that and hit go, it brings up and it shows me exactly what I have here. This is a 50 meg download speed, 5 upload speed package, and shows the cost. Will tell me whether I have a contract or not there. And also I can click on options and features, and on this account we have the whole home Wi-Fi secure network as a part of that too. You can also add some of the different tech home products here as well. If we go back up to My Mobile, it tells you your pricing summary over there on the right, top right, and then with each phone number, you can click in here, and of course, if they're all bundled, it's going to say they're all going to have the same thing, but it's also going to show which phones are connected with each of these numbers. You can also look, when you look at your mobile plans, shows you your details on all of that. And you can do any changes there as well. And that is the My Services tab in SmartHub.